Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to redeem PayPal gift card. First thing I want you to do is just log in to your PayPal account. And what I want you to do is actually here under home, you can click on add card or bank, or you can click on your PayPal balance and then add from there as well. And then just click on link card and you just enter the card number on your PayPal gift card, the expiration date, CVV code, and you can enter the billing address, right? And then you just link the card and you should see it available here as well. And then you're able to use that balance to send payments, okay, through PayPal. So there you go. You would have your, prepaid PayPal gift card on your PayPal account. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix, and I'll see you in the next one.